This protocol demonstrates water entry experiments with free-falling spares, the alteration of liquid surfaces with penetrable fabrics, the preparation of chemical in non-wetting spares, splash visualization, and data extraction are discussed. These techniques provide insight into fundamental fluid dynamics research geared towards understanding interfacial interactions between solid objects and fluid bodies. Demonstrating the procedure will be Joshua Baum and Jeremy Stephen, undergraduate students from my laboratory.
Wear industrial-grade nitrile gloves throughout this procedure to avoid contaminating the water and impactors with skin oils. To begin, thoroughly clean a transparent tank with tap water and detergent. Then fill it with 32 liters of tap water. Clean 2 metric rulers with 99% isopropyl alcohol and let them dry for 1 minute. Mount one ruler facing the front of the tank, with the base just touching the water. Fix the second ruler vertically underwater. Then secure a hinged platform over the tank so that the platform is within the same depth plane as the above water ruler with respect to the front of the tank. Adjust the platform to the maximum desired drop height. Then attach a multi-LED light to an articulating arm and position the light above and in front of the tank to fully illuminate the splash zone under the platform. Set a black screen at the back of the tank to help with splash and cavity visualization. Lay a clean oil-free shock absorber, such as a closed-cell sponge, at the bottom of the tank and hold it in place with clean weights. Next, mount a high-speed camera facing the tank in line with the surface of